How to break free from drug addiction and reclaim your life. Have you ever felt like your life is slipping out of your hands? Like something small took over, dragged you down, and stole the real you? Yeah, I'm talking about addiction. The silent enemy, the deceptive friend, the monster hiding behind a mask of comfort. Addiction isn't just a habit, it's an invasion. It takes over your body, your mind, your dreams. And drugs? They're the weapon of that invasion. They start as a quick escape from pain or emptiness, but end up as a permanent problem, deepening every wound you were trying to run from. But this video isn't about the darkness, it's about the way out. The light at the end of the tunnel, it's about how you can take back your life with practical steps, real hope, and maybe even a smile along the way. Know the game. How does addiction start? Before we break the chains, we need to understand how they were forged. Addiction isn't weakness. It's a misguided search for strength in the wrong place. Drugs give you a fleeting rush of power, relief, or euphoria, but in reality, they're draining your emotional, mental, and physical reserves every single day until you're left with nothing. Picture this. Every time you use, it's like taking a loan from your own life with sky-high interest. But today we start paying off that debt and taking back control. A real story. Yusuf and the mirror meet. Yusuf, a 27-year-old who started using drugs at 19. He thought it was just a try, just friends, just one time. A year later, he was waking up searching for his next hit, not breakfast. He lied to his family, sold his belongings, and couldn't even look at himself in the mirror. But one day, after losing his job and selling his phone for the 4th time, Yusuf stood in front of that mirror and said, "This isn't me. I'm someone else, and it's time to come back." That was the day everything changed. Steps to break free. How to overcome addiction 1. The honest decision. The first step is the biggest. It's not just words or a temporary promise. It's a decision that comes from your core. Not for your family, not for the law, not for what people think, but for you. A decision that says, "I am enough. I deserve to live." 2. Speak your truth. Addiction thrives in secrecy. The more you hide it, the stronger it grows. Open up to someone you trust, a counselor, a true friend, a mentor. You don't have to spill everything at once. Just start. 3. Detox your body. The beginning is tough. Withdrawal hurts. But your body is stronger than you know, and pushing through is proof you're taking back control. You might need a rehab center or a support system. Don't go through this alone. 4. Build a new you. When you quit, you'll feel a void. Drugs used to take your time, energy, even your laughter. Fill that void with something new. Exercise, a job, a hobby, anything you love. Even something as simple as growing a cactus on your windowsill. Every small action is a brick in building the new you. 5. Handle setbacks. Will you slip? Maybe, but the difference between a setback and success is this. Successful people don't stay down long. A relapse isn't the end. It's just a detour, not the destination. 6. Create a new environment. Change your surroundings. Distance yourself from the people who pulled you down. Seek out a community that lifts you up, support groups, inspiring people online, or channels like ours. Addiction recovery as self-development. Here's what most people don't realize. Quitting drugs isn't just about healing. It's a massive journey of self-growth. You're building willpower, understanding yourself, learning to fight, plan, and resist. These are the same tools that lead to success in life. You're not just quitting drugs, you're building a new person. Someone with clarity, a sharp mind, a balanced spirit, and a vibrant body. These are gifts many non-addicts dream of. A light moment and a look forward. Some of you might say, "Man, I've tried so many times and failed." Let me tell you something. An ant tries 100 times to climb a wall and falls every time. But it doesn't give up because it knows there's sugar at the top. Yes, at the top of your wall is a real life. True peace, not the fake kind. Self-respect, restful sleep, genuine laughter, and mornings without pain. Addiction isn't the end. It's a test. and you have everything it takes to pass it: the decision, the courage, and the heart. Start with one step, even a small one. Just start. Every drug-free day is a step toward a life full of dignity. And if you feel alone, we're here. Our channel is packed with tools, ideas, and support. Subscribe now and let your journey to recovery be the true start of becoming your best self. Because you don't just deserve to survive, you deserve to thrive.